Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friends, today we are going to discuss about section 7 and 8 of the Indian Penal Code. Here we understand the explanations, how the explanations are used, what will be the meaning of an explanation of a legal terminologies or any specific word. So for this purpose, section 7 and 8 are very important. So before starting section 7 and 8, I request everyone, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all our updates. And I also request to please visit our channel and check out the playlist, because I have categorized a different playlist, very knowledgeable and informative videos on different categories. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, section 7 and 8 of the Indian Penal Code. So section 7 and 8 of the Indian Penal Code. So first, let me start it with section 7 and I will read it and then I will analyze it. So what is given under section 7? Section 7 of the Indian Penal Code says, sense of expression once explained. Every expression which is explained in any part of this code is used in every part of this code in conformity with explanation. It means any legal terminologies or any specific word which has been used in any part of this code with explanation shall remain same wherever it is used further in the section. To elaborate it further, now let me read section 8. So this example will help you. This will help you to understand it better. So let me read section 8 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 8 of the Indian Penal Code says, gender. The pronoun he and its derivative are used of any person, whether male or female. It means he can be used to denote male or a female also. Now to understand it better, it means, as we have understood in section 7, that any legal terminologies or any specific word, once it is explained in any part of the code, shall remain in conformity in every part of the word. It means once the meaning has been explained in the code, the meaning will remain same wherever it is used in the Indian Penal Code. As for example, he denotes, generally in English, he denotes male gender. But in the Indian Penal Code, he denotes both male and female. Now to understand it, there is a judgment of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, and I will quote the judgment, Girdhar Gopal versus the state. In Girdhar Gopal versus the state, it was a case under section 354, which is harassing a woman, so outraging the modesty of a woman. So here the Honorable Court has defined that the he in this section is not just to denote a man, it can be used to denote both male and female. So if a female is harassing or outraging the modesty of a woman, then again civil, because here he denotes the accused, not the gender. So he is, it means the accused and not the person, not the gender. So in this sense we understand that. And again section 8 and 7 and 8 says that once it is explained, it will remain same. Therefore he is explained here in section 8, so it will remain same in the entire Indian Penal Code wherever it is used. It means he can be used either for male or female. So in this way you can understand it better. So keep watching my videos. I will be coming again with more videos. So please, I once again request all of you to please subscribe my channel. So till then, take care. Namaskar.